Oh, great, because what the world really needed was another article about how you can make $1 million off SHIB tokens. This is like trying to catch a greased pig at a county fair, it's just gonna slip right through your fingers, bitch. So, let's get into this. Shiba Inu is currently trading at $0.00002525, and we're trying to figure out how many tokens you need to hold to make $1 million when the price hits 1 cent. You know what? I think I just got a better idea for my next crypto-themed fantasy novel, The Great Shiba Inu Heist. Seriously though, according to this article, if you invest $2,600 and get 103 million SHIB tokens, you're looking at a long-term hold of around decades. That's like trying to count how many grains of sand are in the hourglass while watching paint dry, it's a fucking nightmare. And don't even get me started on the circulating supply, 589 trillion tokens. That's like counting every single grain of rice in a giant bowl. No wonder it's gonna be hard to delete those 3 zeros, motherfucker.